we remember what happened at the start of September. I said I'm gonna be the best, I'm gonna be an upgraded version of myself, I'm gonna be having a glow up and just be so productive, have the best month of September. Well, that didn't happen. I got sick and I've been having no energy to do anything for the whole month of September, so now we have to have a do-over. Usually, you know, I set up my bullet journal every month with my just bullet journal. Nice English. And for September, that was in a matcha theme with my habit tracker, sleep tracker, and my highlight reel, which I haven't filled yet because it's not the end of September yet. We still have a few days. But now for October, I decided to do things a little bit differently. So in my past videos, we were talking about me making a planner for 2025. Well, that is cancelled. Officially, I'm cancelling it. The math wasn't mathing. The planners would be so expensive for you to buy and it just wouldn't make sense. So now we are rearranging the plan and I'm trying it out in October for the first time. Printing all of this out cost me 60 cents, so that is a way more affordable option to do and I am loving it. It's also customizable for every month because, you know, I get bored really quickly. With this method, I can change it up every month with using different spreads every month. Okay, let's stop babbling. Let's do this. I'm having such a blast. I'm gonna plan out my October, drink my cinnamon coffee and watch Chilling Adventures of Sabrina while I'm doing it. I'm eating this vibes up. Life is good. Girl, this was the most fun I've had with a bullet journal for such a long time. I recommend for you to do this as well. This was so therapeutic and I was just falling in love with bullet journaling again. Oh my god, I'm so happy about that. Okay, so this is my October first cover page. Then I have a calendar with my monthly goals, my habit tracker, mood tracker, sleep tracker, which includes a dream tracker, then daily gratitude where I will be writing what I'm grateful for every day, and a monthly reflections page where I have little questions about the month and, for example, what challenges did you face this month, how did you overcome them, or what did you learn from them? Just little questions for the end of the month. I think October is going to be a month of focusing on my mental health and focusing on the balance in life, on getting a proper sleeping routine, morning routine, just getting into my routine and start going to the gym again. And now I'm gonna just go and buy a binder because I need to put this in a binder. This is gonna be, I love it. I love life. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer the goals that I've written on my monthly goals page in this one. I'm gonna transfer it to Notion and just go a little bit more into details so I can crush my goals this month because in September I did not. Okay, I have it. I have my goals broken. Huh. What? I broke down my goals into smaller tasks, and I think now when I break it down into smaller tasks, now it becomes like kind of easier to do. And for example, I want to finish my 2025 journal, and now this is such a big task to do by itself, but then I broke it down into separate months, and now it feels like kind of fun to do because I want to do separate months and I love doing it. And yeah, I know it's obvious to break down your goals when you set goals, but I haven't done that like ever because I always set like high goals and then I don't accomplish them, and then I lose trust in myself because I don't accomplish my goals. But I always knew I have to break them down, but I just never took the time to do it, and now I did it and it feels so much more motivational and I feel so inspired. I can't wait to start crushing all my goals. And we planned my month successfully, and I think this is way better than what I did in September. And now I feel like I can do it, and I hope that at the end of October we are gonna meet again and I can tell you that I did it. I wish you a happy October and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, thanks for watching. Now I can get a reward. I'm gonna play Stardew Valley for hours. Bye.